So now that we've gone through the concept in its entirety, especially in terms of picture perfect, what it should look like and the idea of it, now we're actually going to go through chart examples on the charts, what the reality actually looks like when identifying these type of trades.
Cool. And we're even going to go in reverse order. I'm going to show you that these concepts are timeless. And I've been collecting charts for my whole 15-year career. And the even funnier part is I learned from my trainer who is collecting charts since 2001. And if you go back to 2008 in the banking crisis and the financial crisis, these concepts still hold true. These trades still existed. I suspect they've existed forever throughout time. And for all I know, will continue existing forever through time until the AI overlords take us over and replace us as traders. So this OCLR example is going to be back in 2016, before some of the young whippersnapper traders that we know were even alive. And so this, we're going to 10/27 2000. Like I said, we're going to 10/27 2016. And so this was the stock OCLR, and we started to trend weekly off the open. And so now, back to that theoretical concept, this right here, I would describe as kind of slow and steady. This becomes a slope of maybe -1. And this is where we get that asymptote that I was discussing, that waterfall, where we go steady, 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 we start to accelerate, then we crash. We get a massive, massive spike in volume, which is one of the major ways I define capitulation. The stock has now fallen over 25%, if my rough mental math is correct. And about 20%. And so this is like a really, really huge move. And so this multiple time frame analysis is how I weigh all these different variables. And then the beauty of this is this was holding prior bar highs almost this whole way down. You don't need to trade it. And that's about that selectivity, where so many people that are taking these paper cuts or are not finding effectiveness in these strategies, it's because they're playing the chart that they think looks like this, but it's really going up and down, up and down, up and down, and it's really grinding, and it's showing like this bar is price acceptance. I want this, where all of a sudden these bars are multiples of these boring bars. Like, look how big this is. We just showed you on the daily chart that a normal average trading range was 30 cents. This stock is moving 30 cents per bar now, and off the open, we were barely moving 5 cents. So that's like, those are the nuances that make this so exciting.